Welcome back, guys. Crypto4Life channel. Today, I would like to talk about the time frames. How do I build the logic when I analyze the time frames, and how do I build the logic for the entry? Let's dive in. If you trade ICT, it's good. If you trade classic TA and you made money, it's good. If you trade the triangles. If you trade just an indicator RSI or MACD. If you trade just a basic price action. If you open trades based on some dodgy candle and you profitable, it's good. Because guys, I totally don't understand when in Twitter, in social media, people start argue each other and fight each other, which concept is better. There is no better concept, guys. It's just the price delivery. And if you profitable on this sense, with, dodgy candles, and you made money with this one, you're the winner. I always ask the people who guru of ICT, watch it, all of that mentorship, and know everything, know all theory about the price delivery based on ICT, why these people still get a stop losses, and how the Michael can blow up his account 90% on the Robinson Cup. Absolutely everything totally individual. So how do I build the logic for entry? I use the USDT trading pair. So let's go here. Here I add the key points what I would like to mention in this video. So first of all, of course, I look at the weekly time frame to identify the direction. So it's just only about the direction. So I'm looking long. Why long? Because I totally understand and I build the logic. So if we are in the downtrend signs made somewhere one, most likely based on seasonality, based on accumulation stage, this one, based on my indicators, and I would like to show you which one I use. I totally understand the sentiment around Ethereum BTC trading pair almost at the bottom, BTC dominance at the top. So I understand sooner or later, from this current price we're going up, or from, for example, this one. But anyway, in my priority is a long position. To check the sentiment in the market, I use the ADZ, direction, market mood, money power indicator, and take profit indicator to identify the exit line and the buy line and the fundamental wall of this token. Let's go, for example, to December 21. What I should do in this case, how to build the logic for longs or shorts. In this case, of course, I totally understand we got a weekly gap. This is a factor, this is a reason, this is a magnet, what most likely we go in and test. So here we got an impulse, correction, sideways, and the priority will be drop to sweep this liquidity pool and test and close, maybe fulfill of weekly gap. In this case, in 2021, in December, most likely, I will look in only the short positions. Also, based on daily, weekly, monthly, yearly indicator, I can identify. So potentially we can see the bounce to the monthly open, and the magnet is yearly open. That's it. So with the weekly time frame, I just try to identify the direction and the global target. For intraday, I don't need all this time period since March. For intraday trades, to build the logic for entries, I need, for example, just this area. For me, it will be more than enough. So since August 24, I'm looking longs. Got it? Because I totally understand the seasonality. Here, locally, I can identify the structure. About a structure, I will make totally another video. So for example, we got a local one, only this time period. The structure, uptrend structure, low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Yes, more than real to see, for example, drop to yearly open, monthly open. Now we try hold the line the weekly open. Got it. It will be more than okay. Daily time frame I use to build the logic and the local direction, build a structure on a daily time frame. 4 hour time frame I use to identify liquidity and the K levels, also fair value gaps. High, so this is going to be like a target for continuation. Got it. Now I can identify and we hold the line at a weekly open. Got it. But on 4 hour time frame, I can identify the liquidity pool, which most likely will drop and sweep. right? All of that stop losses. So I can synchronize my time frames and work in smaller zone. I would like to see sweep of this liquidity pool like a target, test monthly open, or even test of yearly open with a tiny squeeze to sweep this liquidity. At this sweep or this sweep, I will open a long position. And 1 hour time frame I use to find a confirmation of my daily context and fair value gaps. Sooner or later, these equal highs will be sweeping. And the target will be here where I would like to take a profit for my trades. 1 hour fair value gap. This liquidity pool is around monthly open. Get it? And here under, we also get a 1 hour time frame fair value gap. So now I'm waiting these targets. And only when the price going like this one, for example, and stopping here, close the first area of interest, I will go to 15-minute time frame and try to find the good entries on 5-minute time frame, 3-minute time frame, or 1-minute time frame. If you want to open short, you can add your limit order here. Stop loss under equal highs, 2% stop loss. The first target will be the K level on 1 hour time frame, 5% or fulfill like 5.76. In this case, when we drop on 3-minute time frame, you can start looking the entries on 3-minute time frame in zone of interest. So this fulfill already done. You start looking the entries to sweep this equal highs. So it's 8%. Stop loss up to your risk manager. For example, this can be 1%, but I rather wait the sweep of this liquidity pool and open position here. For example, with tiny stop loss like 1%, but much better, of course, open trade at this area. And of course, personally, when we came into my zone of interest, this one or this one, I go to indicator set, use for entries, money power indicator, direction indicator, and can check on trade on. When we tested the weekly open, we got a signal to buy. We trade around the K level on 3-minute time frame. We got an accumulation on direction, money inflow, and signal to buy. I can open trade here, for example, tiny stop loss like 1%, and I can wait, yes, sweep of that and test of that daily open, 3% profit. 1-to-3 ratio. And like you can see, this was a signal to buy, but without a money inflow. I waited the test of weekly open. That's why you don't need to open trades just based it on one single indicator. You have to work in a complex to build the logic of your entry. And if you trade on 5-minute time frame, here was your confirmation. Money inflow, accumulation, test of weekly open, buy, going higher. Here's the sell. So it would be good to see locally something like this sweep, test daily open, and going down to the main target. So guys, this is just example how you can work in a complex and build a chain to synchronize the logic of your entry using the timeframes and indicator set, for example. I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.